Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Wayfair. So let me take you to the website, which is wayfair.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Wayfair is an American e-commerce company specializing in home goods, including furniture, decor, and kitchenware. Founded in 2002, it operates entirely online, offering a vast selection of products from various brands. So you may come to their website, explore all about them, the amazing products, and buy something for yourself if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Wayfair. Can we do that? Of course, why not? We simply have to join the affiliate program of Wayfair and start promoting them to our audience or to our traffic. And when we bring sales to Wayfair, guess what? We'll get commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Wayfair? I didn't see any restrictions. So regardless of your location, regardless of your country, you should be able to apply to the affiliate program of Wayfair and start promoting them. And to the consumers of which country can you promote? That is dependent on the affiliate program of Wayfair that you'll be joining. So that is what we will talk about down the line. So let's learn more about the affiliate program of Wayfair. For that, you can come to this page, which is the affiliate program page of Wayfair. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. It talks a bit about the affiliate program, but not much. Over here, if you click on learn more, it will take you to the registration page. Now, instead of going through with that route and then getting stuck somewhere, I'm going to directly take you to CJ website. Now, what is CJ and what does CJ has to do with Wayfair? So CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. So in order for you to apply to the affiliate program of different brands, you have to join the respective affiliate network. In our case, if you want to become a part of Wayfair, then you have to apply to CJ's network as an affiliate. So you have to get an account with them, and that's totally free. To create an affiliate account with CJ, or rather the publisher account, just so you know, CJ call affiliates as publisher. So to get your affiliate account with CJ, all you have to do is just simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can go to this site, the partner with world's best brands, publishers, and influencers. You can click on sign up, and it will take you through the sign up process. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved, many things you have to put in, this and that. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with CJ.com. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account, or rather the publisher account with CJ.com, which will be for free. Once you get an account with them, you simply come to their website, which is CJ.com, click on login, which will take you to this page, enter your email address and password combination, click continue, and it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. But in our case, we will only be talking about the affiliate program of Wayfair. So to find the affiliate program, you can hover over partners and click on find advertisers, which will take you to this section. Over here on the left hand side, within this advertiser section, just type in Wayfair and you will see three options. Wayfair DE, which is for Germany traffic and audience, Wayfair Professional, which is for US and Canada traffic and audience, and Wayfair UK, which is for UK traffic and audience. So you can click on all these three one at a time and then click on search. So when you do that, you would see something like this. You say, I selected all three and I clicked on search, and I was able to see all these three different affiliate programs of Wayfair. Now, to get more details, you can click on one of them. So I'm going to click on Wayfair Professional, and here I can see all the details which may be needed for me to better understand. But more importantly, you can click on program terms, and here you will see how much commission rate you could earn from them. So for the burst line conversion, you could get 5% sell. So that means if you bring your consumers to Wayfair, and if they bought something from burst line conversion products, then you will get 5% of the sale amount. Same goes for this brand, which is 5% of the sale amount, and this brand as well. And then for Wayfair.ca, which is for Canadian site. So that means if you bring an audience or traffic to Wayfair.ca, if they make some purchase, then you will get 5% of the sale amount. And the same goes for the Wayfair.com, you'll get 5% of the sale amount. Then also you will get commission on the lead conversion. So if you bring a lead to them for their pro account, you could get $1 per lead. And if you convert a customer to a B2B lead, you would also get $1 USD dollar per lead. That's great. And then there are some policies as well that you should be reading, like search campaign policy, then the website, like unacceptable website. So this is the explanation what kind of websites are unacceptable. They allow email marketing, they allow sub-affiliate marketing, they are also allowing social media marketing, and of course they allow coupons and promotional codes websites as well. What are the publishers who are involved in coupon codes related websites? And there are some more information that you might want to read. So let's say you have read it all and you want to apply, then you can click on this apply button. But what if you want to explore other affiliate program as well? In that case, you can click on Wayfair UK, and over here you can see all the details. And with UK, the good thing is you could even get up to 12% commission per affiliate. So depending on the affiliate program and the region, you would be able to get different commissions. So if you talk about Wayfair DE, you could get up to 6% commission. For Wayfair Professional, you could get up to 5% commission, and for Wayfair UK, you could get up to 12% commission. But you have to understand that if you are applying to any of these affiliate programs, you would only be able to get commission if you're bringing the traffic or audience from that respective region. So that means if you're applying and becoming part of Wayfair DE, which is Germany, you would only get commission if the sale is happening on the Germany website from the Germany audience or traffic. Same way for Wayfair Professional, you will get commission if you're bringing sales or orders from US or Canada. And for Wayfair UK, you'll get commission if you're bringing the sales or orders from the UK side. So this is very important. Now, let's say you have traffic from all the regions or some of them, then you can apply to the affiliate program respectively. So I already have applied to Wayfair DE. That's why I don't see this option available. But you can apply. And now I'm going to show you what happens if I click on apply to program for Wayfair Professional. So the moment I clicked on apply to program, I can see this join advertiser, and this is the special terms and conditions. I have to ensure that I read it and I understand it. And after reading it, I can click on accept and apply. And when I do that, my application to the Wayfair affiliate program team would go. They will see whether I'm a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give me the approval. How much time can it take to get the approval? It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So I can wait for them to give me the approval. And in between, if I ever want to reach out to them, I can write an email to them at affiliates@wayfair.com. So that's the contact email address I was able to find for them. So if you have any question while you're waiting for them, or if for some reason it took more than a couple of weeks time to get the approval, you can write an email to them and request them to provide you the approval at the earliest. So how would you know that you got the approval? You'll be notified by an email. So let's say you got the email. In that case, you can come to your CJ Publisher dashboard once again, hover over partners and go to my advertisers, which will take you to the section. Over here, you would be able to see all the approved advertisers of yours or approved advertisers affiliate programs of yours. And once you're here, then you can create your tracking link. You can start promoting them. Now, to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use your tracking link, affiliate tracking links, or affiliate link code. To get the tracking link or the link code, you have to click on the respective affiliate program link icon. So let's assume that we got the approval from Wayfair. And here I'm just going to use Puma as an example so that you would know when you get the approval from Wayfair, how can you get the link. So in our case, let's say, oh, this is Wayfair. So I can click on get link option here, get link icon. So you could click the get link icon after getting approval from Wayfair, which will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see different kind of link codes available or the tracking links available. And then if you look at the left hand side, you can use the search functionality to get to even more different kind of link types. So if I click on link type and if I click on banner, I would be able to see all the banners that's available for that respective affiliate program that I've selected. So in your case, if you select banner code for Wayfair, you would be able to see the banner link. So let me show that to you. So in our case, I clicked on Puma and then I selected banner and I searched. Now I can see all the banner links. Now, how do you get the link code for this? So let's say you like this banner. Puma Black November, and this is the URL. So you can click here, and over here you can click on get code. Here you can see the tracking link code. Now this is a link code which you would be able to integrate from the backend of your website. What if instead of integrating it from the backend, you want to use a tracking link? In that case, you can click on click URL, and this is the tracking link that you can use. So let me show that to you. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it here. Let's see what happens. it will take me to that respective page that we were looking at, the respective destination URL. You see, look at here, November sale. So, but since this is page not found, this is why I got to the page not found. Let me show you another example. So let's say this banner. This is the page. So if I directly go to the page, if I create a tracking link, it should take me to the sales page of Puma, correct? Now, this was a direct link, and if I click on get code, then I can see this is the HTML link code, which I can use at the backend of my website, and then this is the click URL. So if I'm going to copy and if I'm going to paste it here, it will take me to the sales page of Puma. Now, there's another thing. What if you don't want people to go to this specific destination URL, but you want to create your own tracking link? So in our case, let's say we got the approval from Wayfair, and we want to create a tracking link for this web page of Wayfair. So in that case, you can copy this link and come to the section where you were creating, or rather getting the link. And over here, just update the destination URL that you want your tracking link to lead the person to. For example, this is the banner link of Wayfair, and you want people to click on the tracking link and it should lead them to this specific web page. In that case, you just updated it here and you have to click on update code. And what this will do, this will update the code. Now you see, if I'm going to copy this and if I'm going to paste it there, then it will take my user to the specific destination URL that I have mentioned here. So it's totally up to you. If you like any banner, let's say if you got the approval from Wayfair, you found any banner, and if you like it, just click on get code, and over here, get the HTML link code integrated from the backend. If you want the click URL, take the click URL, but it will take them to the specific page written here. But if you want to override it, just mention any other web page of Wayfair and click on update code, and you can use your click URL or get the HTML link code from here. So this is how you can get different kind of link codes, create your own tracking link, and start promoting them. But the question arises, where exactly can you promote Wayfair or the products of Wayfair? So there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few so that it will give you a basic idea. The first way is the website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got. If you feel like you got a website and putting a advertisement of this product Wayfair could be good for your audience traffic, then you put it over there. The second way is the blog. Now, blog posts could be amazing because there are thousands and thousands of different products available for Wayfair. You may want to write different blog posts and different products of Wayfair and put your tracking link somewhere there in the blog post itself. This way, the reader would read the content, will click on the link, will make the purchase, you get the commission. The third way is the social media, which I feel like would be great here because social media allows you to do many things. You can create videos, reels about different products of Wayfair and provide your tracking link in the comment section. So that's great. The fourth way is the e-commerce website, which I believe would be amazing here because people come to e-commerce website to buy and find products, isn't it? So you could maybe create a standalone section for the furniture and appliances and just put different products listing of Wayfair there. So this way, when people would come, they will search for the products, they will find those amazing products of Wayfair, they will click on it and make the purchase. This will result into you getting commission. Now, let's say you started bringing sales to Wayfair. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to your affiliate dashboard once again, the affiliate dashboard of CJ. And over here, you can hover over reports. You can go to performance, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can see the performance by website, link, all these different things. You can choose trend, you can choose date range, and you can run report. And if you want to see the transactions, the orders which actually have happened, in that case, you can hover over reports and click on transactions, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can enter all these details that you like, and you can run the report and you would be able to see your transaction. What about the commission? How would you receive the commission? So the first thing comes, where would you see your balance, the accumulated balance? For that, you can hover over account and you can go to balance details, which will take you to the section. Over here, you would be able to see your accumulated commission. Now, all the commissions that have been accumulated here would be paid by the brands to CJ, and CJ will issue that commission to you. But you have to ensure your payment details are up to date. So for that, you can hover over account and you can go to settings and update your payment details. You have two options. Either you can provide your banking details to get the payment via direct deposit to your bank account. The other way is Payoneer. So you can choose any of these payment method, and once you exceed the payment threshold value of $50, 50 USD, that's when you can expect CJ to release the payment for the commission to you, and you will receive it to your bank account or to your Payoneer account. So this is how you find the affiliate programs of Wayfair. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Wayfair. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.